Today's client works on off-grid construction sites where electricity isn't available, making a dependable diesel supply essential for powering their generator sets around the clock. By collecting used cooking oil from their restaurants and neighboring establishments, our client is creating a sustainable fuel supply that lowers diesel expenses and supports more cost-efficient operations. At the start of our technology transfer, we teach our clients how to test and evaluate their used cooking oil to determine whether it's suitable for biodiesel production. This simple but essential step helps ensure consistent fuel quality, efficient processing, and reliable reactor performance. Then, we move on to the hands-on technology transfer of the CBR Biodiesel Conversion Process. Every trainee is guided through each step of the production process, from reactor operation to quality control, ensuring they can confidently operate the system independently. We also encourage them to record the entire training using their phones, so they have a reliable reference whenever needed. For this technology transfer, our client chose to process 100 kilograms of used coconut oil. This demonstration highlights one of the CBR biodiesel reactor's key advantages over conventional biodiesel production methods: its 100% fuel yield. Simply put, 100 kilograms of compatible feedstock produces 100 kilograms of biodiesel, maximizing resource efficiency and minimizing waste. The CBR biodiesel reactor was engineered to simplify biodiesel production. Compared with traditional biodiesel processing methods, it requires only a single operator and eliminates the need for wastewater treatment and alcohol regeneration systems. The result is a compact, energy-efficient solution that occupies less space while significantly reducing operating complexity. Quality assurance is an essential part of every technology transfer. We guide the operators through several biodiesel verification tests, equipping them with the knowledge and skills to independently confirm the quality and consistency of every production batch. Beyond ensuring product quality, these verification procedures prepare our clients for long-term growth. As production capacity increases, maintaining standardized quality assurance practices can help support regulatory compliance and future government permitting requirements. We also conduct a side-by-side flame test comparing biodiesel and conventional diesel, allowing operators to observe their different combustion characteristics. The demonstration also provides a visual indication of biodiesel's cleaner burning properties compared with petroleum diesel. Once the biodiesel production was complete, we drained the remaining diesel from the generator set to conduct a live operational demonstration. The gen set was then fueled with the newly produced biodiesel to verify its performance under actual operating conditions. Following the successful completion of the technology transfer, the biodiesel reactor and generator set are loaded onto the client's transport vehicle, marking the completion of another successful deployment. At CRD on Biotechnology, our commitment extends beyond the sale. We continue to provide technical guidance and support until our clients are fully confident in independently producing high-quality biodiesel. Stop depending on expensive diesel. Start producing your own and check our CBR Biodiesel Reactor. Message us today and take control of your fuel costs. Check our website, fb.com/biodieseltechnology.
CRD Reactor converts used cooking oil to biodiesel at 8 pesos per liter production cost. CRD Biodiesel also performs well on diesel engines. For more information, please see our number and website in the description.